Now moving on to question number 7, sine square y plus cos xy equal to pi. So differentiation of sine square y will be 2 sine y, then sine y will be cos y and then dy by dx. Minus cos xy will be minus sine xy first, cos theta differentiate minus sine theta, and then we'll differentiate this theta also, xy. In this we have to apply a product rule. X as it is dy by dx plus y. Pi will be 0. Now 2 sine y cos y will be sine 2y dy by dx minus x sine xy dy by dx. I will multiply this. X dy by dx multiplied by sine xy. So it will be x sine xy dy by dx, and this multiplied by y will be minus times y sine xy. This term will come this side, it will become positive y sine xy, and here you take dy by dx common. So sine 2y minus this, and then you shift it in the denominator. Similarly, question number 8, sine square x cos square y equal to 1. So differentiation of sine square x, 2 sine x cos x, then 2 cos y will be minus sine xy, and then y dy by dx, it will be 0. So this is sine 2x, this will come this side, it will become sine 2y dy by dx. So dy by dx will be this upon this. Now moving on to question number 9, this is a very important question. Y equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now if you observe carefully, 2x upon 1 plus x square, this is a formula for sine 2 theta if we put x equal to tan theta. So these type of questions can be done by the method of substitution. So if I put x as tan theta, then if I put x tan theta, that means theta value will be tan inverse of x. So put x equal to tan theta, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this will become the formula of sine 2 theta. Both will get cancelled out, but we will get 2 theta. Now put the value of theta. Theta is how much? Tan inverse x. Now differentiate. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So answer is 2 upon 1 plus x square. In the same way, we have question number 10. This is the question. Again, this is the formula of tan 3 theta if you put x equal to tan theta. So if you put x equal to tan theta, theta will be again tan inverse x. So put tan theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this is tan 3 theta. Y equal to tan inverse tan 3 theta. Both will cancel out. So y will be 3 theta. Theta value is again tan inverse x. Now differentiate. So what is the differentiation of 3 tan inverse x? 3 upon 1 plus x square. 3 upon 1 plus x square. Same way, 11th question. This is the question. Again put x equal to tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse of x. Same way. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So y equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Again what you will get? This will cancel out. 2 theta. Theta is again tan inverse x. Again differentiating both sides. 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now 12th question is important. In this same question, but we have sine inverse. Sine inverse 1 minus x square upon 1. So if we put tan theta, what we get? We'll get the formula of cos 2 theta. Now we cannot cancel out. So what I will do, I will convert this cos into sine. By very simple formula, cos 2 theta can be written as sine 90 minus 2 theta, class 10th formula. Now they will cancel out. So y will be pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Y will be pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Again the value of theta will be tan inverse x. Now differentiate. Pi by 2 will be 0. It will be minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Then 13th you will try yourself just like question number 12. Now 14. Sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Put x equal to sine theta in this. So now theta will be sine inverse x here. So 2 sine theta 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Under root of that will be cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So both will cancel out. So it is 2 theta. Now theta here will be sine inverse x. So 2 sine inverse x. So differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Then moving on to the last question of the exercise, 15th. Sec inverse this thing. Now in this if you put x equal to cos theta, so 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is cos 2 theta. 1 upon cos 2 theta is sec 2 theta. Sec and sec inverse will cancel out. So what is the value of y? Again 2 theta. Now theta is how much? Cos inverse x. So 2 cos inverse x. Then if you differentiate, derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the answer for question number 15.